Hello everyone. Welcome to One More Thing. I'm Matt. Today we're going to talk about 10 ways to improve your financial IQ. Whether you're just starting to learn about personal finance or you're a seasoned investor, these tips can help you gain a better understanding of financial management and make informed decisions about your money. From setting financial goals to understanding investment basics, we'll cover a range of topics to help you take control of your finances. So, whether you're looking to improve your financial future or simply want to learn more about personal finance, keep watching to discover these 10 key steps to becoming financially literate. Let's get started. 1. Establish financial goals. Establishing financial goals is the first step to becoming financially successful. Understanding what you want to achieve and the timeline is fundamental to designing your financial plan. In this step, you need to identify your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving to buy a home, retirement savings, education funds, etc. Not only identify these goals, but also set a timetable for achieving them and determine how much money is needed to achieve them. Next, you need to develop a plan to achieve these goals. Plans may include ways to save money, increase income, invest, and more. These plans need to work with your goals and timelines to ensure you can achieve your financial goals. Finally, you need to monitor your progress and make adjustments to ensure you stay on track toward your financial goals. Establishing financial goals is not only an important step in achieving financial success, but also the foundation for developing good saving and investing habits. 2. Learn budget management skills. Learning budget management skills is one of the important steps to becoming financially successful. Budget management refers to creating a plan to manage your financial resources, to ensure that your expenses do not exceed your income. In this step, you need to start monitoring your expenses and identify your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are expenses that must be paid each month, such as rent, utilities, insurance, etc. Variable expenses refer to irregular expenses, such as entertainment expenses, food expenses, travel expenses, etc. Once you've identified your expenses, you can start creating a budget. A budget helps you control your spending and make sure you don't spend more than you take in. You can create a monthly budget that lists your income and expenses so you can keep track of your spending. In addition, you can also look for ways to save money, such as reducing entertainment costs, cooking instead of eating out, etc. Controlling your spending can help you reach your financial goals, such as saving for a home, saving for retirement, and more. Finally, you need to monitor your progress and make adjustments to ensure you can meet your budget and financial goals. Learning budget management skills will not only help you take charge of your finances, but it will also help you develop good saving and investing habits to prepare you for your financial future. 3. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is an important step in financial management that can help you deal with any unexpected situation, such as job loss, unexpected medical expenses, and more. An emergency fund is a cash reserve earmarked for emergencies. The first step in building an emergency fund is to determine how much money you need. Experts recommend 3 to 6 months of expenses as a reserve amount for an emergency fund. Once you've established a goal amount for your emergency fund, the next step is to start saving. You can put a portion of your monthly income into an emergency fund, or put any windfall earnings, such as red envelopes, bonuses, etc., into this fund. In addition, you can also look for ways to save money, such as reducing entertainment expenses, eating out less, and so on. This can provide more money for your emergency fund. Finally, you'll want to choose a safe way to save, such as a high-interest savings account or money market fund. Building an emergency fund can help you maintain financial stability in the event of any unexpected situation, thereby reducing financial risk. It can also help you develop good saving habits to prepare for your financial future. 4. Understanding debt management. Debt management is an important aspect of financial management that can help you manage debt effectively and avoid falling into a debt crisis. First, you need to understand your current debt situation. List all your debts, including credit card debt, loan debt, etc., and determine the interest rate and payment terms for each. This will help you understand your debt load and determine the minimum payment you need to make. Second, you need to create a plan to pay off your debt. This can include reducing overhead, increasing income, optimizing debt structures, etc. Having a plan in place can help you pay off your debt efficiently while avoiding becoming overly indebted. Third, you need to stick to your debt plan. This includes paying on time, not adding to your debt load, and more. If you cannot repay the loan on time, you need to contact the creditor in time to seek ways, such as debt restructuring or moratorium on payment. Fourth, you need to control your credit card spending. Credit cards are a convenient payment tool, but they can also easily sink you into debt. Minimize your credit card usage and only use credit cards when necessary. 5. Learn the basics of investment. Learning the basics of investing is an important step in financial management, and it can help you understand the basic concepts of investing to better manage your portfolio. Here are some basic concepts of investing. Risk. Risk refers to the chance of loss in an investment. Different investment types have different levels of risk. For example, stocks are generally riskier than bonds, but also offer higher rewards. Return. Return refers to the return on investment. Different investment types have different levels of return. For example, stocks are often more rewarding than bonds, but also riskier. Stocks. Stocks are shares of companies that are traded on the stock market. Buying stock means that you become a shareholder of the company and can share in the company's earnings and growth. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments. Buying a bond means you lend money to the issuer and charge a fixed rate of interest until the bond matures. Fund. A fund refers to a portfolio of investments managed by an asset management company. Funds can invest in different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, commodities, etc., to spread risk and achieve portfolio diversification. In conclusion, learning the basic concepts of investing is an important step in financial management. By understanding the basic concepts of risk, return, stocks, bonds and funds, you can better manage your investment portfolio, reduce risk and achieve long-term investment returns. 6. Understand retirement planning. Understanding retirement planning is an important aspect of financial management that can help you prepare, save and invest for retirement to ensure the quality of your retirement life. Here are some effective retirement planning tips. First, create a retirement plan. Retirement planning includes identifying your retirement goals, estimating your retirement income and expenses, developing a savings and investment plan, and more. Having a plan in place can help you better manage your retirement finances and assets. Second, start saving and investing early. Time is your friend, and the earlier you start saving and investing, the more likely you are to achieve your retirement goals. You can save and invest by opening a retirement savings account, investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Third, control your spending. Controlling spending can help you grow the money you save and invest to meet your retirement goals. You can control your expenses by creating a budget, reducing unnecessary expenses, and more. Fourth, choose an appropriate investment strategy. In retirement planning, you need to choose the investment strategy that suits you. For example, if you wish to grow your money, you can choose to invest in high-risk, high-reward asset classes such as stocks. If you want to reduce your risk, you can choose to invest in low-risk, low-reward asset classes such as bonds. 7. Learn tax knowledge. Learning about taxes is an important aspect of financial management that can help you think about taxes for your financial planning and ensure you minimize your tax burden. First, understand the tax law and the tax system. Tax law and tax system are the basis of tax management. You need to understand the basic principles and regulations of tax law and tax system in order to better manage your tax affairs. Second, determine your tax liability. Knowing your tax liability can help you develop a tax reduction strategy. You can view your tax statements, income and expenses and other information to determine your tax liability. Third, consider tax rebates. A tax refund is an application for a refund of the taxes you have paid. You can reduce your tax burden by filing tax refunds, deducting tax credits, and more. Fourth, optimize your asset structure. You can minimize your tax liability by apportioning your assets, reducing asset transfers, and more. Fifth, take advantage of tax credits. Tax credits are tax credits that you can use to reduce your tax burden. For example, you can deduct donations, educational expenses, medical expenses, etc. 8. Learning risk management. Learning risk management is an important aspect of financial management that can help you manage your investment risks and choose the risk management strategies that work best for you. First, understand the risks. Risk refers to the chance of loss in an investment. Different investment types have different levels of risk. For example, stocks are generally riskier than bonds, but also offer higher rewards. Second, diversify risks. Diversification means allocating your money among different investments to reduce risk. You can diversify your risk by investing in different asset classes, industries, countries, etc. Third, set risk limits. You can set risk limits, which determine the maximum level of risk you can take. You can set indicators such as risk control indicators and risk levels to manage your risks. Fourth, choose an appropriate risk management strategy. Different risk management strategies can help you manage investment risk. For example, you can choose strategies such as capital preservation funds and portfolio insurance to control risks. Fifth, regularly review your risk management strategy. Risk management strategies need to be adjusted and updated as time and conditions change. Reviewing your risk management strategy regularly can ensure that your strategy is aligned with your actual needs and goals. 9. Understand real estate investment. Understanding real estate investment is an important aspect of financial management. It can help you increase your wealth through real estate investment and choose the most suitable real estate investment strategy for you. Here are some effective real estate investing tips. First, understand the real estate market. Understanding the real estate market can help you understand market trends, price changes, and investment opportunities. You can learn about the real estate market by reading relevant reports, researching market dynamics, and more. Second, determine your investment goals. You need to determine your investment goals, such as increased cash flow, capital appreciation, long-term investment, etc. Different investment objectives require different investment strategies and risk management. Third, choose the appropriate investment property. You can achieve your investment goals by choosing the appropriate investment property. You can choose an appropriate investment property by considering factors such as the property's location, price, rental yield, and more. Fourth, determine your investment funds. You need to determine your investment capital, including down payment, loan interest rate, management fees, and so on. You can determine your investment funds through budgeting, loan analysis, and more. Fifth, minimize risks. Real estate investment has risks, such as market fluctuations, rent arrears by tenants, etc. You can reduce risk by spreading risk, setting risk limits, choosing appropriate risk management strategies, etc. 10. Learn insurance knowledge. Learning about insurance is an important aspect of financial management, and it can help you understand the various types of insurance and how to choose the one that is best for you. Here are some effective insurance management tips. First, learn about the various types of insurance. Insurance types include life insurance, accident insurance, health insurance, property insurance, etc. Different types of insurance cover different risks and needs, and you need to understand the different types of insurance in order to choose the most suitable insurance plan for you. Second, determine your insurance needs. You need to determine your insurance needs, such as life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, etc. You need to consider your family status, income status, risk, and other factors to determine your insurance needs. Third, choose the appropriate insurance plan. You can meet your insurance needs by choosing the appropriate insurance plan. You need to consider insurance costs, insurance coverage, insurance terms, and other factors to choose the appropriate insurance plan. Fourth, review your insurance plans regularly. Insurance plans need to be adjusted and updated as time and conditions change. Reviewing your insurance options regularly can ensure that your insurance options are aligned with your actual needs and goals. Fifth, understand the insurance claims process. You need to understand the insurance claims process so that you can file a claim in a timely manner if needed. You can check the insurance terms, relevant information on the insurance company's website, etc. to understand the insurance claim process. Thank you for watching this video about 10 ways to improve your financial intelligence. I hope these methods can help you manage your finances better and improve your financial intelligence. Remember, financial management is a long-term process that requires constant learning and practice. By learning financial knowledge, budgeting, rational consumption, investment, and risk management, you can better manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions or suggestions about financial management, please leave a message below, and we will try our best to answer you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.